Hello guys. Yellow color, black color, purple color, brown color, light green color, orange color, violet color, red color, sky blue color, dark blue color, dark green color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and shapes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. A. A for aeroplane. Orange color. B. B for books. Light green color. C. C for cake. Violet color. D. D for dog. Yellow color. E. E for elevator. Sky blue color. F. F for flowers. Purple color. G. G for goat. Dark blue color. H. H for horse. Dark green color. I. I for iron. Brown color. J. J for juice. Square. Circle. Triangle. Heart. Star. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Purple color. Sky blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.